Once trims have been fitted, reinforcement mat can be rolled out for the roof area. Remember to overlap the matting by 50 mm on the feathered edge side. Roll up the matting for later use. Bandage is required along trim edges and trim joins. Apply RoofCell Basecoat with the required amount of hardener to the bandage and dress over trim joins and corners. Apply RoofCell Basecoat to the area where the trim edge and roof meet. Cover with bandage and apply another roller of Basecoat. It is important to paddle roll the bandage. Follow this process for detail work on the roof, including pipe details. Use a brush to work in the wet bandage for a neat finish.